Good morning, everyone. We are from CSE-B and we are from Team 3. Today's topic is the impact of artificial intelligence in society. As we all know that in this modern era, everything is dependent on artificial intelligence. Like from the starting of the day till the end of the day, everything has artificial intelligence impact and its touch in the works we do. We all know that in this current society, while doing even a little work or a small detailed thing, we are completely dependent on artificial intelligence. Like for example, if we take an example of knowing about a small factor, even if we know about a small detailed information about a little thing, we are going into this chatbots, different chat AIs that we got, and we are using in it and we are searching, we are doing a research or anything, our works, everything is completely we are dependent on artificial intelligence. So in this factor, we know that this is both beneficial and also a type of disadvantage. So in as a beneficial thing, we have different. We made our work smarter, and in different domains and sectors, we are using this artificial intelligence. And as of this disadvantages, we know that human brains are not working appropriately, and creative power and this thinking power is gradually decreasing as we are completely depending on the AI. So, what do you think about this advantages or disadvantages?
Yes, Indira, what you said is absolutely correct. Nowadays, everyone using AI in their life. Uh, in we use AI in our education, financial, and in our health problems. While coming to the education, we use AI like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot for our works, of which we are need to understand of the topic. In the financial we can use like data sets to import and export them. In the in the hos- uh, in the medical, we can use that. We can use various domains, like we can create a visual to understand the topic of which we are moving. So what do you think about?
Yeah, I agree with you both. You said that there are many AI assistants and AI is impacting our life in many ways, and you're saying it is impacting in different fields in our life. But I want to say that for educational purposes, we are depending on ChatGPT, Gemini, and all, right? But they are not giving the accurate results. I mean, not exactly correct. They are somewhat related to the topic and all. Even if they are giving the answers, we should classify it for our own needs. And even in medical fields, we are using robots and all for operations and all, right? If there is a little mistake, it costs a person's life. So I think AI is impacting our society in a very big manner, and we shouldn't completely depend on it. What do you think about it?
Yes, I absolutely agree with your points. The impact of this AI on our society is very huge these days. Coming from health to education and finance and everywhere, wherever we see, AI is leading the roles, right? And many of them are losing their jobs because of this AI also. Because industrial people are instead of taking like laborers or people for doing the jobs, they're adopting to AI because this AI can do equal to the five people's work or so five members of work it can do. So they are adopting to AI because
It is easy to invest in AI rather than
to
people.
the people. Yes, absolutely. And as you also said, the chat GPT or they are not giving accurate values. Yes, absolutely correct. Because and the way it predicts the if we take in industries, they have to predict the our customer brain. I mean their taste and interest. And AI do like the predictions done by AI is way better than human brains. But in some aspects, as we know, people interest may change from time to time. But AI trains the data set that was given by previous or but humans can predict the others' feelings or others' interest. So in that aspect, the human brains are like humans are way better than AI in predictions. Yes.
Yes, guys, I agree with all your points you said now. But nowadays, AI become a decision maker for all of us, everyone. And you have mentioned that impacts about advantages and disadvantages. Yes, it makes our work easier, comfortable, and so faster. And coming to disadvantages, because of that, everybody stops using their brain. And even for a small thing, they're just going and typing the prompt and getting the answers. So this makes a crucial impact on children's firstly. And again, one point, Prasanna, I want to mention that you said that it makes a mistake. No, AI, these robots are what input we give, we get the same output because it will not make any mistake uh, because we train that, not they automatically can't train that. We train that. So what the inputs we give, same the output is predicted before. So I think it's a mistake.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I will
yeah.
add one more point to yours. AI is smarter, but our human brains is more creative than AI, of which it we can know, we can taste, smell, and we can
You can sense
we can
things.
sense things, but AI
Nowadays,
can't
they are
do.
creating robots that can sense actually.
Okay, I don't
We
know.
don't know.
Even
We don't.
those robots which are created are also created using the human brains.
Yeah,
Yes.
humans are creating and they are becoming more intelligent than us, and we are less intelligent than them. I mean, it's a complete cycle.
Because they can't forget now.
Yeah.
Decisions
Actually,
cannot be.
as she mentioned, there is no mistake. Like whatever input we give, based on that, it actually results.
Yes.
So in giving that input, that is the prompt. So even to give a perfect prompt, we need human intervention, like prompt engineers. Not
Yeah.
only job displacement, it is also creating jobs, new jobs.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
monitoring this AIs is also important. This
Important.
prompt engineers is also one of the jobs, and also creating and developing these AIs is also a job. So not only this job displacement, along with the AI, how AI is updating, like that. If we also improve our thoughts and update along with the AI, we could make it up. We could balance it equally, I think.
Yes, this makes the jobs tougher to get it. So
And so, based on all our points, if we make it a summary, we can say that, as mentioned, we have pros and cons for AI. So, basing upon the advantages, we have to make it up to balance this AI and human work, and also improvising the things, and also few issues needed human intervention more than this artificial intelligence. In such sectors, we have to know the difference between when to use this AI and when to use the human brains. And coming into disadvantages, if we think of more about it, we could even optimize even this disadvantages and turn it into advantages. So basing on this, AI has both advantages and disadvantages impact on the society. We can make it optimized based on the ideologies we actually perform.
yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Hi everyone, we are here from CSE-B. Our topic is impact of AI on society. What I think is that artificial intelligence is created by humans, but nowadays it is working better than humans. In many ways, artificial intelligence we are using, like when we take from hospitals. Most of the surgeries nowadays are happening using AI, and and it makes the surgeries way better than humans because the mistakes are getting decreased, and and they can help in improving the health conditions, not only just in medical way, but artificial intelligence is using across the world in many ways, from scratch to the way better technologies. uh, for everything there are disadvantages and advantages. We can our humans can make the advantages more proficient, and we can make the disadvantage into advantage. We are the one we created AI, so we are the one we have to make the disadvantages into advantages. What do you think?
Yes, Yoras, I agree with your point that in medical field, many of the doctors due to their interaction, so at every time the mood would be in better way or not. So at some times they may commit mistakes and that would lead to a bigger change that a surgery may be lost, and in that surgery any person may lose their life. So to do not commit these kind of mistakes, we are using AI technology in the doctors. So that all the things will be committed by the machine only, so that there will be no mistakes because there is no human intervention. So I want to add to a point about the students. So that is in perspective of the student technology, he want to learn new things and want to upgrade himself by day to day. So there will be a learning path, and you would commit the path in such a way that according to this phase, some students may perform in a better manner and they can grasp the points in a single token, and some students would be average. They need to study or they need to listen 2 or 3 times. So by using these technologies, they can learn in their own phase and upgrade themselves in a better manner. So what do you think about this, Indira?
So I agree with your points, and I want to add up a thing. Using this AI, we could also make our ideologies even better. Like as we all know that we are asked to write comments, or we are asked to write some paragraphs or passages and all these things. So in that thing, if we post our ideologies in a way, we give it as a prompt, then and if we ask it to improvise our ideologies, it gives us a better way of improvising. Like I wanted to say the thing that instead of completely depending upon the AI, we could use it in a better way to make our thoughts and our thinking process better. And what do you think about it?
Yeah, what you said is absolutely right. And some of the negatives which cannot be cured or recovered, there are, those are replacements that cannot be replaced. And coming to AI improvement, from coming to restaurants to bigger companies, all are using robotic machines to serve or anything. And coming to hospitals also, most of the surgeries were doing AS only from different places. And what your thoughts about that?
So in this generation, so many human needs artificial intelligence product based companies. So AI is some kind of good or bad. So either good is decision making is simpler than as faster than human beings, and negative side is it is some deepfake videos for ladies
Security to others.
less security to others. So what is your answer?
What I also think is that it is decreasing the jobs because everything is automated from AI. So it displaces the jobs, but it also creating prompt engineers. But the amount of jobs it is creating is less than the amount of job it is displaced. So uh, from all your points, what I can say is that yeah, we AI is important, but we also need to think in a way that we can create more better than AI, and we should not depend always on AI because our humans can sense the things that not an robot can do. We are the one. We are the one implementing the robots, are creating them so that they can work and support us, not in other way. So I think that. Thank you.